Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maintenance Coach. In industry, sometimes I see a crisis situation arises that a motor has burnt out and you need to replace it immediately with an old motor. Now the question comes, how much lowest megger value or insulation value that we should allow for the old motor before operating it. And I observed that most of the engineers don't know exactly what should be the minimum or lowest megger value for a motor. So let me tell you the answer here. So minimum or lowest insulation resistance value that comes always with the voltage level of a particular motor. Say for example, if the voltage level of then lowest megger value comes around 0.415 plus 1 equal to 1.41. Similarly, if the rated voltage of a motor is 690 volt, then minimum or lowest insulation resistance value will be 0.69 plus 1. That means 1.69 mega ohm. So I hope you have got something to learn from this video, and please do share, like my video, and subscribe the channel. I will come up with this kind of videos so that you will get opportunity to learn. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.